Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to talk about the Note 9's official trailer by Samsung. In the end, I'm gonna show you the untrimmed official trailer by Samsung. But first, let me tell you what it's gonna offer by looking at some of the clips that I have extracted from the official video. Let's take a look at the first clip. In this clip, you can see the bag with dual lens setup and a fingerprint at a more convenient place as compared with the Note 8's fingerprint scanner. This next clip is about the S Pen. So that was the new S Pen, and let's take a look at the next clip. In this clip, you're gonna see something really crazy about this phone. So let's take a quick look at this clip. So this was the thing that I was talking about. This Note can handle 1 terabyte of memory, 512 GBs of internal, and a 512 gigabyte supporting SD card slot. The Note 9's 128 GB variant will be priced at around $950, and the 512 GB variant will be priced at around $1,200. And now we're gonna take a look at the last clip and then the official trailer of the Note 9 by Samsung. Now let's take a look at the official trailer video of the Note 9 by Samsung. Sit back and enjoy the video. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can get notified about my future videos.